We witness the heart-wrenching story of Rabbi, a newborn monkey, and the unfortunate circumstances that lead to his abandonment. The video captures the raw emotions and struggles faced by Rabbi and his family, shedding light on the complex dynamics within a troop of monkeys. This sudden abandonment sets the stage for a series of events that will test the strength and resilience of young Rabbi, the robber and external threat to the troop, further exacerbates the situation by causing chaos and distress. Rabbi's mother, depicted as a character named Rosie, proves to be a cruel and unsympathetic mother. Despite Rabbi's frailty and distress, she remains unaffected and fails to provide the nurturing care that he desperately needs. This lack of maternal compassion deeply affects Rabbi, leaving viewers empathetically devastated. The distraught infant Rabbi is left sobbing on the ground, longing for his mother's love and protection. However, his pleas go unanswered, and Rosie remains indifferent to his suffering. The audience is emotionally invested in Rabbi's plight, feeling a mix of sadness, anger, and helplessness. Poignant turn when the elderly monkey mother, who is part of the troop, decides to abandon her young without any remorse. The reasons behind her actions are revealed to be related to her dissatisfaction with the male monkey, adding another layer of complexity to the narrative. This abandonment, occurring merely 3 days after giving birth, showcases the harsh realities of life in the monkey world and the profound impact it has on the vulnerable young. Rabbi, the newborn monkey at the center of this heart-wrenching tale, embodies both vulnerability and resilience. From the moment he entered the world, Rabbi faced tremendous challenges that no infant should have to endure. Abandoned by his father and left behind by his mother, he was thrust into a world that seemed indifferent to his existence. With tears streaming down his face, Rabbi's cries echoed through the jungle as he lay on the ground, desperately seeking comfort and solace. His frailty was apparent, and his mother's lack of sympathy only deepened the pain he felt. It was a cruel twist of fate that his own kin, who should have been his source of protection and nurturing, turned their backs on him. Yet, despite the abandonment and the harsh realities he faced, Rabbi's spirit remained unbroken. His tiny body shook with sobs, but within him burned a flicker of determination. He refused to succumb to despair, clinging to the hope that someday, somewhere, he would find the love and belonging he so craved. Days turned into nights, and nights turned into weeks as Rabbi ventured out on his own, navigating a world fraught with danger. Hunger gnawed at his tiny stomach, urging him to explore, to scavenge, and to survive. Each day brought new challenges, from evading predators to finding shelter from the elements. But Rabbi persevered, driven by an innate instinct to survive. Through his solitary existence, Rabbi's innocence slowly gave way to a resilience forged by adversity. He honed his senses, learning to detect danger in the rustling leaves and the distant roars. His once trembling limbs grew stronger as he climbed trees and leapt from branch to branch, mastering the art of agility. In the face of loneliness and uncertainty, Rabbi's determination to thrive burned brighter than ever. As time went on, Rabbi's longing for a mother's love grew stronger. He watched with envy as other monkey infants clung to their mothers, finding solace and security in their warm embrace. Rabbi yearned for that connection, that sense of belonging that had been denied to him. But despite the ache in his heart, he continued to forge ahead, relying on his own instincts and resilience. From the moment Rabbi entered the world, Rosie's lack of empathy became evident. Instead of embracing her fragile infant with tenderness, she remained unaffected by his frailty and distress. The sight of her distraught baby sobbing on the ground failed to evoke any sympathy or maternal instinct within her. It is a heart-wrenching reality that not all mothers possess the nurturing qualities we expect them to have. Rosie's actions, or lack thereof, leave viewers deeply saddened and emotionally affected. The bond that should exist between a mother and child is shattered, replaced by a cold void that intensifies the vulnerability and helplessness of Rabbi. As the days unfold, Rosie's indifference persists, amplifying the devastation within Rabbi's young heart. He longs for his mother's love, yearning for the warmth of her embrace, but she remains unresponsive to his pleas. This absence of maternal compassion leaves an indelible mark on Rabbi's spirit, highlighting the profound impact that neglect and abandonment can have on a developing life. The character of Rosie also sheds light on the complexities of the animal kingdom. In the natural world, not all mothers possess the innate instinct to protect their young. Survival instincts, conflicts within a troop, or other external factors can disrupt the maternal bond, resulting in heart-wrenching consequences for the vulnerable offspring. Rosie's actions, or lack thereof, are a stark reminder of the harsh realities that exist within the animal kingdom. While we may yearn for an idyllic portrayal of maternal love, nature often paints a much more complicated picture. Despite the absence of a loving and caring mother figure, Rabbi's resilience shines through. He learns to navigate the world independently, relying on his own instincts and the support he finds in unexpected places. Although forever marked by his mother's neglect, Rabbi's journey serves as a testament to the strength of the human-animal bond and the power of resilience in the face of adversity. Rosie's character, while evoking feelings of sadness and frustration, invites us to reflect on the complexities of the natural world and the diverse range of maternal behaviors that exist. It serves as a reminder that compassion, empathy, and nurturing care are not universal, even within the animal kingdom. The heartbreaking tale of Rabbi the newborn monkey serves as a powerful reminder of the challenges faced by wildlife and the intricate dynamics within animal communities. It brings attention to the profound impact of parental neglect, abandonment, and the harsh realities of survival in the animal kingdom. Prepare to be moved as you witness the heart-wrenching journey of Rabbi, a newborn monkey left behind by his family in a world that seems indifferent to his fragile existence.